also Tagalog. Ano yung kay nagamitan ka? Kay kasal. Nga na, ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal. Tugon sa aking dasal. Mark and Cindy, matagal na kayong naghihintay. Matagal na kayong nagdarasal. Ang inyong kasal
Naglobat
ay ang
yung
tugon sa
handicap.
inyong dasal. Ang inyong pag-aasawa ay ang tugon ng may kapal sa inyong dasal. And we, your friends, your relatives, your colleagues, and those dear to you,
Wala eh.
we join you
Paano kaya
in
yun?
celebrating
Mamaya.
the gift of friendship and the gift of togetherness as you begin your married life. Mark and Cindy, once a gift is acknowledged and accepted with gratitude, that gift becomes a responsibility. Mark and Cindy, treasure and cherish the gift of togetherness. Pakamalan niya at pakasesen, intigap yung regalo ni nga kung gino. Pakaingatan niya. Papaburen, mawawala. Papaburen, masisira. And you know the secret on how to preserve this gift. You know what to do in order to allow this gift to grow, to mature, and to develop and bear